Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kishore Agrawal. I am a president of Chhattisgarh Society of Pharmaceutical Science and a pharmaceutical consultant by profession. Today I am going to talk on pharma jobs which is best suits for you after COVID-19. To explain this, I have categorized pharmaceutical jobs into three categories. Categories A, category B, category C. So the first category has three segments, which is none other than pharmacovigilance, API research, medical writing and the clinical data management. The reason for classifying these three segments under category A is work from home culture, which is pretty much expanding these days. IT and process automation, pending phase 4 clinical trial is among one of the most important factor where there are no more recruitments or people are getting laid off from the companies. So these are the few reasons for which I have categorized pharmacovigilance, medical writing and API research under category A. The second category is category B. Under this we have sales and marketing, which is the backbone of any industry, and clinical research, to be very precise. Category B are those categories of jobs which are actually stable. There are no more leaves off and it is actually in a stabilized condition. The reason for categorizing sales and marketing or clinical research under this category is it's a never ending process actually, and the company is actually adopting digital marketing techniques rather than traditional marketing techniques. So the employees are actually not laid off. They have changed their process and they have changed the automation stuff. The third reason is the international business. There, as you can see, there is an exports from India to the outer part of the world, and India has developed a quite good relationship with nearby and other countries. So this has actually call of people and invited jobs for few of the people. And the fourth reason is low cost labs. The third category is category C, which is your green zone or the safe zone, where there are no layoffs and actually companies are recruiting for these segments. In this, what comes under as a segment is a commercialized industry. When I say commercialized industry, that means regulatories, QA, QC, your purchase department, product department and regulatories all will come under this segment of category C. The biotechnology industry, the microbiological industries are also the part of category C in type of pharma jobs. The reason for categorizing these segments under category C is global manufacturing hub. India has become now global manufacturing hub, and they have all the resources which needs to be present for manufacturing of pharmaceutical goods or the even biosimilars or biotechnology goods. India is not very well known in the global map as a vaccine industry country, and thanks to the scientists of the country which has actually contributed to this. The medical device industry is again one of the most important factor for contributing to category C, because medical device industry has seen a growth of I would say 5 folds in 5 to 6 years down the line. And the last but not the least, there are large number of healthcare startups which are coming up, and these healthcare startup has actually boosted the pharmaceutical jobs, and the people or the aspirants who are looking for the jobs are actually now there are high requirement of techno skills manpower rather than traditional skill manpower. So as you can see, I have categorized all the jobs as category A, category B and category C. Tomorrow on a live session we are going to have a detailed discussion on Pharma News 24 channel. So stay with us for tomorrow around 12, and we'll provide you a notification after you subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.